And when I talked about diversification, I talked about diversification and not over-diversification. People tend to overcomplicate and find a sophisticated way of investing strategy. But to me, ultimately, what is important is to look back at the very basics of investment. So one of the key understated strategy is diversification. When I talked about diversification, I'm looking at diversification across three major factors. And one is diversification across country. And number two, I will look at diversification across industries. And number three is that I will look at diversification across companies. So what this means is that you would want to have an investment fund that is able to allow you to benefit from different volatility across different markets. And as a result, looking to ensure that your return is consistent over time without too much of volatility. And when I talked about diversification, I talked about diversification and not over-diversification. So we're looking at between 5 to 15 different asset classes for you to be able to then monitor the performance of this over time without having to spend too much time monitoring the performance, because obviously you would have your own time that you need to allocate for your work and family, and therefore would look to monitoring your performance across a quarterly or biannually or yearly basis. So that's my advice when it comes to investment strategy. I am Azril. I am a certified financial planner and chartered financial analyst at ringgitplus.com. If you have any questions from today's video, and if you would like to find out more about our service, check out Ringgit Plus Advanced at our website today.